Well, step 2 is completed. We got the new plastics on. Just want to see how it looks. Never had this bike completely white plastics. Looks pretty darn sharp. I was about to do the OEM shrouds right there that have the black along there, and they look really freaking awesome. These guys here, holy crap, they look so sweet. Because this is a, in case you didn't know, this is a YZ250 with YZ250F OEM bodywork. And it'll take me too long to explain how it was done because it's not easy, nor is it cheap. But that's what you see there. That's why it looks very different from a YZ250. But yeah, look at that. That shroud would look so sweet there. But the graphics I'm going to do would cover that black down there, so I can't do that. Maybe later we'll do the OEM 4-stroke shrouds on it. But man, that looks pretty darn good. We're going to do retro. 90s retro is what's going on, including the seat cover. But I just want to do this real quick. See how she looks. Look at that. I already had that disc guard in black and white. That looks freaking awesome. Even in plain old white. Anyway, check out our other videos. I'll put the playlist down below for this bike. We got tons of videos on you know, service and maintenance and mods and parts and whatnot on this thing. That's you know, the Pro Circuit carbon fiber silencer. Pretty sweet. Looks great. Anyway, we're going to add to it though. There you go. Y'all have a good evening.